In this video, I will show you on how to remove password protected PDF and have access to particular PDF. Like for instance, this particular PDF right here was protected with password, so which means that I do not get access to this password and I do not have the password to this particular PDF. How can you remove the password and have access to PDF? What we want to do here is to make sure we go ahead and create a tab right here. I'm using Edge browser. You can use any type of browser to get this thing done. Go ahead and type in remove PDF password protection online for free. Go ahead and click on enter, and you have the different web page right here. So what we want to do is to go ahead and use any of the websites right here. So right here, I'm going to use this particular website right here. I love pdf.com. So click on it. Now you are here. Unlock PDF. Remove PDF password securely, giving you the freedom to use your PDF as you want. Go ahead and click on select PDF file. Then I'm going to go ahead to navigate to my desktop right here. Then I will go ahead and select the PDF and open. The next thing I'm going to do is come down here, click on unlock PDF. Done. Go ahead and click on download, unlock PDF. Successfully download. Then I'll go ahead now and click on open. Now I have access back to the PDF. It's that simple. So this is how to remove password protected PDF without any stress. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.